Find used motorcycle and car values. Looking to buy a car? What about a motorcycle? Nowadays, it could be a better idea for you to buy used over brand new, especially since, of course, used vehicles merely cost a fraction of the price of new ones. The trade-off, however, is that you really need to invest time in knowing how to choose which used car or motorcycle to buy. Otherwise, you'd just end up spending more on repairs and maintenance than if you'd just invested in a brand new model in the first place. It's also a good idea to do comparison shopping between different brands and models of cars, and the offered prices on them. You'd be surprised at the difference between prices on the exact same car make and model that various car retailers offer. So what to do? Be encouraged by the fact that there are so many resources out there that could aid you in choosing the best value vehicle, whether it be car, motorcycles, or even boats values, for your money. So if you want to find out used motorcycle and automobile values, here are some places you could go check out. Kelley Blue Book or KBB is a reliable website resource that allows you to look for values of the specific car model that you like, and the year it was made. First, you'd get to choose which vehicle categories you want to research, such as sedans, coupes, pickups, and luxury vehicles. Once you select the particular category you prefer, you'd choose the brand, and then the year of its make. Finally, you'd be presented with different auto book values, which are the following: the trade-in value, the private party value, suggested retail value, and certified pre-owned value. An advantage to using this website is that KBB values are usually very reliable. Also, if you are looking for very detailed specifications, you'd likely find this website helpful. However, some might think it's too detailed for initial research, so you could move on to the next website. NADA guides vehicle pricing and information works similarly to KBB. Once you get to this website, you would find a section which deals particularly with used cars. The options you have here include the following: used car prices, used car reviews, a compare cars option, and an option to offer your car for sale. This website is highly navigable, and its offered features such as the car comparison guide, where you could compare the specifications and values of up to 3 different cars, is extremely useful as well. Automobile Mag is also a user-friendly website, with many helpful features such as used car reviews and classifieds, and a used car true price report. This report shows a price curve or bar chart of the prices of specific vehicle brands and models. What values can be classified as great price, good price, or overpriced, depending on which state you're living in. Auto and motorcycle magazines. Of course, you could purchase different auto and motorcycle magazines to help you get an idea of the running rates of used cars and other vehicles. It's better to buy magazines than books in this case, since magazines are more updated and much cheaper as well. There you have it. Be encouraged by the fact that you could do intelligent and productive research on vehicle price values even without breaking a sweat. Have fun, and here's to smart shopping.